important updates and new airdrops for you to go and grab right now. So please listen closely, leave a like to this video, subscribe if you're new, turn on the notification bell on, and with that we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, the Mantis Open Beta is now live. And as I did participate in the closed beta, I got the invitational link for all of you. First come, first serve. The link is down below. Make sure to go and grab it. It is a very nice airdrop. And how to go and earn this airdrop? Well, first of all, absolutely under farm, only 33,000 users. So make sure to go and grab yours. And what is the best thing to go and do? Well, this airdrop is all about trades and it's all about volume, swapping, and quantity. So make sure to go to the trades over here and start doing your trade, kind of like just Jupiter. So for example, it works on Solana and Ethereum. Let's say you want to switch between, let's say Blaze over here. I want to send 100% of the Blaze token and I want to select an asset to receive. In this case, let's go and receive some Solana token. So we simply do like this. We click on the full amount and we click over the arrow over here. So you select and you swap. And you see here that the fee is absolutely minimal. It's like 1 or 2 cents. You will open it, as you see over here, you will switch, put on Blaze, and you are good to go. So this airdrop is really good. You want to sell Solana or Blaze token and buy at least 0.00 suit Solana. It is very good. So it is extremely easy. And as we see here, the trades are not big, so you can become really in the top 1% of the people. So simply go and do your trade, start doing the trade now, just like we did with Jupiter. This is all about volume. This is all about the possibility of the airdrop. We go over here, we click over the submit button, we click on confirm, and we are good to go. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go and do it. Do as many trades as you can. Let me know how many you've done it. Here, finding, executing, simple, smooth transaction. Very nice UI as well when it comes to the, the website itself is absolutely beautiful. So make sure to go and grab yours. Do as many as you can. Very little people, very under-farmed airdrop. All about the volume, all about the swaps. It's all about the leaderboard. So make sure to go and do it. Another airdrop that it is very good that we are looking to, I got 100k in volume over here, is the hyper liquid airdrop. So make sure to go and join right now. I will leave you my link down below to go and join. We got 41 members of the community. And as you see here, this is not in terms of swapping like Mantis is, for example. And by the way, Mantis is on Solana as well as Ethereum. As we see over here, we got the transaction going on. Hyperliquid is all about trading, spot trading, as well as liquiding, buying and longing. I got my long over here on Ethereum. And you simply got to do that and earn points. So the more trade you do, the more volume you create, the more transactions you do. It is the airdrop for the season 2. Do not fade the season 2 because the season 1 was huge. You know it. We've seen it. We faded it. So make sure to go and join the season 2 because you will thank me once the airdrop goes live and we will be able to go and claim it. Next one, as you know, I am a big believer of the GRVT airdrop, and as we see here, they have secured a Class M license in Bermuda. This is the first decentralized exchange to achieve this milestone. And this is why I got huge, hopes, and I'm really looking forward to it. I am getting the points. All you gotta do, it is still on a testnet. Mainnet will go live potentially January or February, as far as I know. So you're still on a testnet, and all you gotta do is simply sign up, complete the quest, and one important thing, you gotta have KYC to, receive the airdrop when it comes out, just like they've done the licensing over on Bermuda. They are verified. The KYC is very important. If you do not do KYC, you will not receive the airdrop. This is being said by the team. So everybody that joins, I got no problem doing the KYC because anyway, everybody's eventually gonna have to ask a Binance, KuCoin, ByBit. Everybody needs the KYC at some point. Here we got the KYC. So make sure to join in, do your KYC because you will receive the money of everybody and the airdrop allocation of everybody that doesn't do KYC. Those allocation will be given to people with KYC. Just for you to know, make sure to do it. They are making waves. They are the first one in a very good positionings. The rumors of the mainnet launch is around the corner, as we said. So make sure to go and grab yourself the spot. This is a great news, which I do really believe in. This is why I believe in GRVT, because they are fully transparent. They are not any, anything else. They got licensing, they got in, it is as it is should be, and it is still on a test. So come in, grab your points, open the mystery box, complete a few tasks over here, complete the Zerly partnership, and you are good to go. Following up, we got the airdrop checker for the usual airdrop over here. So connect the wallet, whether it is Phantom, MetaMask, or whatever. We can click over here and just so that you see wallet connect. You can run the rewind. I have done 0 in terms of everything, I believe. So I do not think that I am eligible for this airdrop, but you know, you never know. You gotta go through all of this, as you see, real ownership, this and that, revenue base. Then once you go all the way to the bottoms, as we see over here, you can run a check and see if you are eligible. I am not going to be eligible for this one, as far as I know, and you missed the start. That's it. So, but make sure that you go and check out your airdrop allocation for the usual, and if you do have it, let me know down in the comments below how much you received. Another airdrop that is coming very soon is the Nabla airdrop. Has been confirmed by the Nabla team, as we see over here, as from this snapshot and picture that they have taken. So when the Amber from you, they're also going to be airdropping the Amber token this weekend. So make sure to go and check your wallet if you do have it. But we do have another airdrop incoming, which is really good. There is also a vote over on Optimism, which you can go and vote. By voting, you potentially will receive the token allocation for the next airdrop over on the Optimism platform. Simply click active over here, and if you do have the possibility, go and vote. You can vote, hasn't vote, voters, you can be for or against. Let's go and vote for. No voting reason provided. I do not have any OP in the token. So if you do have it, make sure to go and vote. Make sure to go and grab yourself this possible airdrop and be active over on their ecosystem. The next thing is the Atlas protocol. This is a 3-in-1 airdrop strategy, which I do want to share with you for Hyperlane. Now, you can mint and bridge an NFT over on the Atlas protocol itself. So we can go and mint it, for example, from Arbitrum. We can bridge it to Optimism, as we do over here. We can mint the NFT, which it is super easy. You're gonna be redirected over here for 82 cents. You will be able to go and mint the NFT. And this is an integration with Hyperlane, because Hyperlane is one of those airdrops that we know it is going to be probably the biggest one. And I will take you a guide as well very soon on how to be able to go and earn and farm the Hyperlane airdrop, which it is a very big airdrop in my opinion. I have high hopes for Hyperlane, just like we did for Hyperliquid. So here we go and mint the NFT. We click it over here. We got the 82-cent interaction for the NFT. I will receive this one. You will then go and bridge it over here out of the Atlas protocol. And with Hyperlane from Atlas, you will get it from Arbitrum or any other of your choice, honestly. And I will do it to Optimism. This does not affect the airdrop allocation. You can send it to any chain from any chain. This is simply an integration with the new Hyperlane protocol, which it is Atlas right now. We see here that the transaction has been happening, so we can go and check it. Also over here from the trades, you will be able to see that the first trade has been done. Make your first trade, 10K deposit, etc. With one trade of 50 cents, I am position 71, and this was a 50-cent trade. So you see how easy it is to go and receive credits, to go and receive the order. So make sure to go and do yours, achieve the milestones, and you are good to go. Very important. Once you mint your NFT over here, as you see, we have minted 2. Simply click on one or the other, click over on bridge. You will be able to go and bridge it for $1.37. Fair enough. We go this one and we bridge it. Then we can also mint the second one over here. And actually, let me see if I can go and bridge it to, let's go and bridge it to Zora. Fine. We can go and bridge the second one to Zora. So we have 2 different protocols, another dollars, and you are good to go. Very easy. This is how the airdrop works, and this is how the integration with Atlas will work. There is another airdrop which is coming soon, and this is the CVEX exchange. Now, let me know your XP allocation down below. I managed to get myself 26.8 thousand XP, which I do think it is quite good. Let me know your allocation down below. I've been looking before over on Twitter for a little bit of other people and inspiration to see who did something else. And let me know your XP down below. This is the testnet campaign. We talked about it. I really talked about it on a lot of videos because I really believe in this protocol. I really believe in this project. So let me know your allocation and if you did participate. But this airdrop will come, I believe, at the beginning, either December right now or at the beginning of 2025, as testnet has ended, snapshot has been taken. There is also a Phantom and Moonshot users update. As we see here, potentially we could receive the Pengu airdrop. It is written over on the Peggy Penguin allocation. that seeking here we go on top of prominent Solana NFT, which is how you will receive this token. The Pudgy Penguin token will be coming to Solana. Potential recipients include Phantom and Moonshot users. So this could also mean the total swapping that you've done. We have done a lot of swapping over on Jupiter, which you should be doing as I am talking about it on a day-to-day basis. But if you did utilize the protocol, if you did utilize Phantom, if you did utilize Moonshot, if you did utilize them, they will be absolutely phenomenal. In terms of the best airdrop that I want you to go and be part of today, definitely the open beta on Mantis. As you've seen here, extremely easy. I did a 50-cent trade and I am rank 72. Extremely easy. So, you know, if you got $100, $200, make sure to bid me, make sure to be allocated, you know, and this is a simple swap. So you can do swap in and out to reach 50,000 and you will have a 2x multiplier. You will become a big partner in this protocol, which is super good. And then of course, all the interaction like we've seen it before, you will be able to see it here on your Solana wallet and all of the other protocol as well. So for example, we can also go and do one other trade, for example, that I want to sell the this thing here that I had. I don't even know why I have it, but let's go and sell 100% of it, and I will buy at least another. I would like to buy Solana. With this amount of transaction, it is more the Solana potentially that you go and spend for the transaction than the Solana that you go and receive for it. But you know, this is to scale the leaderboard and do a little bit of steps, as well as Hyperliquid. This is a very important airdrop. Do not fade it. Do not miss it. It is going to be huge. You can go and trade, by the way, on Ethereum. Another one that I do like to trade in, which is doing really good right now, is Link, which it is about to do the next run up, as we see here. Let's go on the day. We can see that on the day, Link is really doing good. We will be seeing the new highs as well over on this protocol soon. And then we got all the other protocol, Link and all the others, very important. And of course, GRVT, like once again, the key factor in my opinion for this. This is going to be the greatest airdrop in my opinion of 2024. They are an exchange, just like Hyperliquid was. And you see the price at Hyperliquid, it is going to be over here. The Hyper token, it is at $14. They have the same, you know, Hyperliquid has the same as GRVT. They are an exchange. So, you know, I think if they do properly, they can learn from it and do it even better. So that's all I have to say. You do you and I do me, but I do want to tell you what I am up to. With that said, thank you for watching and I see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.